Okay, we're going to start with problem number 1. So let's look at it very closely. Read it to yourself, pause this video, and then return to hear what the solution. Okay, now we're back. The solution is for the blue tiles to the total number of tiles in the section. I need to write down blue to total. That's the key word here, to. So I'm going to look for wherever it says blue, here 14 blue, I'm going to write down 14. 2 could be a colon, like this. And the total is actually the sum. The total is not given to you. You have to find out the total. So I'm going to get 14 plus 10 to give me 24 tiles. 24 tiles. That means 24 belongs to our total. Check to see which option, multiple choice, gives you this response. Problem number 2. Read it to yourself and pause this video. Okay, now we're back. Problem 2 talks about dogs to, keyword, to total. So dogs to total. I'm going to write down dogs to total. So the problem gave us 11 patients are cats, 9 patients are dogs. So I'm going to write that down. 11 cats, 9 dogs. So I know what dogs is. It's 9. 9. And my total, that means I need to find the sum. So I'm going to add 11 plus 9, which gives me 20. That is my total. We need our answer as a fraction. So I will turn my response to a fraction by making 9 over 20. And here it's going to be 9 over 20. Okay, the next problem we're going to look at is problem number 9. Let's read it and pause this video. Now we're back, and the problem says compares the number of plain white to, keyword, to the total number of squares, of all the squares. So I'm going to write down white to total. In order to count the white, I have to mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means I have 6 white. And for my total, I need to count all of these, or I could count quickly like this. 1, as if it were an array. So we have 1, 2, 3. That would be 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 6, and that should give us 18. But hold on, we don't see that ratio 6 to 18 here in any of these multiple choice answers. So we need to simplify, and that means simplify is to turn the ratio into a smaller ratio. So we had 6/18. These two are even numbers, and that means I could divide by 2. And therefore, I now get 3/6. No, sorry. 3/9. Now I have 3 and 9, which means I could divide again by 3. And now I should get the answer, because 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And this is the simplest form of the ratio. So notice how we got from 6/18 to 1/3. Select your response.